All right, welcome back in. It is time for Motivation Monday. We know Christmas is this week, so let's get some motivational messages from Santa in the form of leadership expert.
Dressing up today.
I thought you might.
This close,
maybe the hat at least.
Yeah, no. Well, we'll just talk about them.
All right, how you doing?
We won't act. How are you?
All right, what are we focusing on? What do you mean by this?
Well, when we talk about, I want people to be thinking today about both. If you are a working professional, we're going to learn from Santa. But if you're at home, if you're a grandparent or a parent working from home, we can learn as well. And so the first message is Santa has a fun workshop.
Santa does have a fun workshop.
So if you've seen the movies or things like that, Santa's got a great workshop. So if you are living at home, is your home a place where your kids and grandkids feel comfortable?
Oh,
do they have fun? Is it a warm, embracing place? If you're in the workplace, have you created a workshop where people like to come to work, whether it's the sights, the smells, things like that, or is it a boring, drab, bland office?
You know, it makes me think about how many kids don't have that kind of warmth in a home.
I know.
You know,
so anything we can do in your viewing area who's making the home workshop and the workshop feel comfortable and inviting, that's huge. And Santa does that good.
Okay,
Santa
all right,
does
what's
that well.
next?
Santa is a true servant leader.
He is.
He has a single goal, doesn't he? His single goal is to take care of the kids and take care of others. And I think sometimes we get so caught up every year in doing this and doing that and where's my focus and where's my values and where's my passion. It's so easy to me when you look at Santa, he's like, I'm looking out for others, I'm taking care of the kids, and I know what I have to do every single day with my team to get it done. He's always putting other people first.
And that's what
that's what we should be doing. Whether we're looking at our kids and our grandkids or whether we're a manager looking at our employees, put them first.
Good lessons. All right. And the next one is?
Santa is consistent. I hear this all the time where I work, which is there's inconsistency among managers. There can also be inconsistency among parenting. You know the old saying as a kid, if you don't get the answer you want from dad, who do you go to mom? You know, and so Santa's very consistent. He says, I'm making a list, checking it twice. If you're good, you get presents. If you're naughty, you get coal. There's a very simple, consistent thing. And so as parents or as employers, need to make sure we're consistent. We can't treat one employee different than the other. We can't treat one kid. Now, there's always going to be exceptions to that rule because kids are different, employees are different. But as a whole, he's consistent. And you can always count on him. He's going to be rain, he's like the Postal Service. Rain or shine or weather, Santa's going to be there every year on December 24th taking care of us. So have a fun workshop, be a servant leader, and be consistent. That's what I get.
I love that, and that's a great analogy for life itself. I was telling Jazz earlier that my son and my son's in his 20s, but my son and his friends were over Saturday for like 7-8 hours, and they were loud and rambunctious and playing video games and doing things, and I could not have been happier hearing them in the house.
Yes, because you've created an environment where even your adult kids and people want to come back over and over. You have a fun workshop.
I have a fun workshop.
It's like, this place is a fun workshop.
It is.
You got Mickey, you got everybody here. It's fun.
All right, well, you make it fun too.
Thanks, buddy. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays
to
you
too,
as
happy
well.
Holidays.
Okay.
All right, we will, where are we going now? I'm so caught up in our workshop.
That's such a good time.
We'll take a break and we'll be right back to our Santa's workshop.